Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video guys. This is a very important settings for your sound card. I have a mini small sound card. It's model number X6 mini sound card or mixer. You can use in the laptop or mobile phone. So guys, how can I use this sound card? A USB condenser microphone. So I have a fine USB condenser microphone. So basically this I use for the laptop. So now how can I use on this device for the mobile phone or recording voice guys? This is very good quality. So guys, I have here is the mic 2 port is the 3.5 mm jack. So I can't use here the USB. So USB I will connect in the laptop for the power. So I have to connect it in already in laptop, and you can see here is the power is on. So guys, how can I connect this microphone on the mobile phone? So guys, with this mixer sound card have the audio jack like this 3 port or 4 port. So guys, this one cable I put inside this microphone for the headphone jack. You can see for listening you the voice. So I connect here, and the other port I put in the microphone jack. So at first I on the device, and guys other port I put in the microphone jack, and guys this is working, I hope. And guys, now for listening the voice I have to use the headphone jack. Here I have a headphone jack. I use the headphone jack for listening the voice. Hello, hello. Connect this wire in the mobile phone. Here is the live. This is for the output for mobile phone. And guys, I connect this on the phone. I recording the video. Hello guys, can you hear my voice? This is my voice from the microphone, this USB, and very good sound quality and giving them sound around of all the sound. So here is the professional. This is the professional, and I down the echo without echo now. See, this is popular studio.
Voice change.
Here is the voice change.
Also voice change without
Echo is host. You can see voice host. Here is the rap. So here is many option. Here is some electric voice. Hello, 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 hello.
So guys, this way
You can use the USB condenser microphone on your mobile phone, and this is the best way you can use the microphone. When I remove the, see, if I remove the USB, this USB using only the computer, you can't use in the charger port, it will be not work. Only connect with the laptop USB connection. Okay, and micro USB here, and other port the 3.5 mm jack to put in the microphone port, and then you can use the output your laptop. So very strong microphone. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and hit the bell icon. Thank you. And guys, now I am recording the voice here. You can see I'm recording the voice. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Hello. You can see I'm recording the voice. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Hello. Very nice quality. This microphone working with this mixture, high quality, better than my another microphone is Bringer or the BM 800 or I have the another microphone is Bringer, also better than two microphone working in the USB. This microphone is very good. See, this Bringer B1 microphone I have, but the USB condenser microphone working in fine is better than this microphone. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon.